Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your subscription with Microsoft 365, complete guide step by step clearly. To cancel your Microsoft 365 subscription, first, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Microsoft account sign-in page. Enter your email address associated with your Microsoft 365 account. Click on the Next button. Input your password and click Sign In. Once signed in, locate the Services and Subscriptions tab in the top menu. Click on this tab to access your subscription details. Find the Microsoft 365 subscription you wish to cancel. Select the Manage option next to your subscription. On the next page, scroll down until you see the Cancellation section. Click on the Cancel link. You will be prompted to select a reason for your cancellation. Choose a reason from the drop-down menu that best fits your situation. After selecting your reason, confirm your cancellation by clicking on Next. Review the cancellation information presented on the screen. If everything looks correct, click on Cancel Subscription. You may receive a confirmation email regarding your cancellation. Make sure to check your email for this confirmation to ensure the process is complete. Your Microsoft 365 subscription will remain active until the end of your billing cycle. Remember to download any needed files before your service ends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.